Spill, I got the sauce, yeah. New skills, cause I'm a boss, yeah. She'll bill, know what it costs, yeah. No veneers, I wanna floss, yeah. Ass fat, that booty talk, yeah. Shout it bad, look how she walk, yeah. Shouting nasty, how she talk, yeah. Watching that like a hawk, yeah. She do lots of drinking, but she don't do no drugs.
What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me, Marie, and I'm back with another video. So before we get to this video, make sure you subscribe by pressing the subscribe button down below. Tap that bell notification so you'll be notified when I post a new video. So today I partnered up with Allove hair, and they sent me over this 14-inch, I guess you could consider it a closure wig because it's not really a frontal, but it's human hair. Firstly, in the package, it came in a little purple package. And then inside of that package was the package with the hair, which was just like a little purple box that says Allove hair, and it came with a shirt as well. I got two shirts actually. I don't know why. And then on the back says Allove hair. Yeah, so big shout out to them for partnering with me so I could put out this video. Firstly, I do like this hair a lot. It's super soft and silky. The curls just came out perfect. Everything was perfect with this except the lace room. For this to be a human hair wig and the price that it costs, you would think that you could get a little bit more, you know, room. There wasn't barely any room. Like, you can't even make a part. It can only be a middle part. So as you can see, I have a middle part, but it was only middle part and like maybe like not even an inch or so of room on the side. So I didn't glue this wig down at all, just because, you know, there was kind of no point if you can't really part it anywhere. That would be the thing that I dislike. This is not a really bad wig at all. Like I said, I bleached it and like everything came out really good with this wig. I didn't really cut baby hair, just like a small little portion I swooped over, you know, to make it look cute. If you guys want to see how I bleach my knots and all of that good stuff, just be sure to keep on watching.
Drip spill, I got the sauce, yeah. New skills, cause I'm a boss, yeah. She'll bill, know what it costs, yeah. No veneers, I wanna floss, yeah. Ass fat, that booty talk, yeah. Shout it bad, look how she walk, yeah. Shouting nasty, how she talk, yeah. Watching that like a hawk, yeah. She do lots of drinking, but she don't do no drugs. Lately we been linking it only bars and clubs. Phone steady ringing, but I ain't gon' pick it up. For your love, I'm feeling only one I'm thinking of. Say she got some frenemies, bitches be hating on her. They committing penalties, and that's why she alone. Swear she the epitome of the perfect woman. We shall be an entity like Clyde and Bunny. Start a war for your love. Open doors for you. At the core, felt your love. Truly adore you. Drip spill, I got the sauce, yeah. New skills, cause I'm a boss, yeah. She'll bill, know what it costs, yeah. No veneers, I wanna floss, yeah. Ass fat, that booty talk, yeah. Shout it bad, look how she walk, yeah. Shouting nasty, how she talk, yeah. Watching that like a hawk, yeah. Baby, let me get you at the house, let me do it. We can have dinner and then go see a movie. Calamari, try some wasabi with your sushi. Hot toddy, have us a party, it's a movie. Big and back food, I'm coolin' with your ex. You ain't treat her right, she moved on to the next. Anytime you need me, know you can send a text. Even if you're just in the mood and want the sex. Start a war for your love. Open doors for you. At the core, felt your love. Truly adore you. Drip spill, I got the sauce, yeah. New skills, cause I'm a boss, yeah. She'll bill, know what it costs, yeah. No veneers, I wanna floss, yeah. Ass fat, that booty talk, yeah. Shout it bad, look how she walk, yeah. Shouting nasty, how she talk, yeah. Watching that like a hawk, yeah. Drip spill, I got the sauce, yeah. New skills, cause I'm a boss, yeah. She'll be a know what it costs, yeah. No veneers, I wanna floss, yeah. Ass fat, that booty talk, yeah. Shout it bad, look how she walk, yeah. Shout it nasty, how she talk, yeah. Watching that like a hawk, yeah. She do lots of drinking, but she don't do no drugs. Lately we been linking it, only bars and clubs. Phone steady ringing, but I ain't gon' pick it up. For your love, I'm fiending, only one I'm thinking of. Say she got some frenemies, bitches be hating on her. They committing penalties, and that's why she alone. Swear she the epitome of the perfect woman. We shall be an entity like Clyde and Bunny. Start a war for your love, open doors for you. At the core, felt your love, truly adore you. Drip spill, I got the sauce, yeah. New skills, cause I'm a boss, yeah. She'll be a know what it costs, yeah. No veneers, I wanna floss, yeah. Ass fat, that booty talk, yeah. Shout it bad, look how she walk, yeah. Shout it nasty, how she talk, yeah. Watching that like a hawk, yeah. Baby, let me get you at the house, let me do it. We can have dinner and then go see a movie. Calamari, try some wasabi with your sushi. Hot toddy, have us a party, it's a movie. Big and back, dude, I'm coolin' with your ex. You ain't treat her right, she moved on to the next. Anytime you need me, know you can send a text. Even if you're just in the mood and want the sex. Start a war for your love, open doors for you. At the core, felt your love, truly adore you. Drip spill, I got the sauce, yeah. New skills, cause I'm a boss, yeah. She'll be a know what it costs, yeah. No veneers, I wanna floss, yeah.
Welcome back. I hope you guys enjoyed the little tutorial that I put together showing how I put on the wig. So like I said, if you guys enjoyed that, be sure to give this a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to my channel down below. I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace out.